As for the detachable insulator type plug coil-on-plug direct injection, with the originally designated coil head remaining in proper working condition, and adopting the performance-validated, patent-derived, COP insulator as a direct replacement for the OEM's COP insulator. The innovative composition design of COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy to improve the fuel combustion efficiency and engine performance. COP insulator also reduces exhaust emissions by eliminating the cause of environmental global warming raised by the design drawback of conventional plug coil COP insulator. The existing problems of performance-aged COP insulator include its embedded metal spring, suffering from corrosive and thermo-oxidative degradation, as well as its plastic body stem, suffering from dielectric leaking, which may cause the spark plug to suffer from misfire and carbon fouling problems. The innovative composition design of the COP insulator can solve such a problem by a direct replacement of the performance-aged conventional COP insulator. COP insulator forms the most economical and efficient mechanism to reinstate and further enhance the fuel combustion efficiency and engine performance of performance-aged vehicles, and stop them from creating excessive emissions. The other competitive advantages include enhanced driving comfort and safety by instant response, and quicker acceleration, fuel economy with improved vehicle pulling power, reduced engine vibration, and an easy-to-start engine under extreme climatic conditions. Demonstration of ignition spark energy comparisons and application exemplars of COP insulator for various car models including Honda, Proton Lotus CAMPRO, Nissan, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, FCA, GMC, Ford, Mazda, Subaru, Volkswagen, and Audi. The innovative composition design of COP insulator showed a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. We can also custom design and tailor-made the COP insulator per the customer's supplied sample and requirement. Application exemplar for Honda L-Series vehicles, the COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplars for Proton Lotus Campro engines. The COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplars for Nissan vehicles, for example, Altima, Maxima, Rogue, X-Trail, Murano, Tiana, and GTR. The COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplars for Mercedes-Benz M111, M271, M272 and M273 engines. The best-I COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplars for BMW M1 and M3 engines. The best-I COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplars for BMW B46, B48, B58 and S58 engines. The best-I COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplars for FCA vehicles, for example, Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Wrangler, Ram pickup, and Durango. The best-I COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition. GMC vehicles, for example, Chevrolet Equinox, Malibu, Impala, and Pontiac Saturn. The best-I COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplars for Ford vehicles, for example, E-Series, F-Series, EcoBoost, Escape, Fusion, Transit, and Explorer. The best-I COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplars for Mazda vehicles, for example, non-Skyactiv and Skyactiv engines. The best-I COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplar for Subaru vehicles, for example Forester, Outback, BRZ, FT86, and XV. The best-I COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy. Application exemplars of Volkswagen, Audi, and Skoda vehicles AE 888 Gen 3 engine. The best-I COP insulator provides a persistently faster and stronger ignition spark energy.